You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you.
Yay! Happy birthday!
It's true.
Miss Angel, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi girl, happy birthday! Nahihilo ako. Happy birthday girl. Mama, I took you. Happy birthday.
Besh! Oh, Besh, hindi chika yan na. Ikilit lang kita na. Happy birthday. I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo and may God bless you more. To more tampuhan and syempre chikahan. And ayun. Yun lang. Wala na. Pero syempre, hindi matatapos ang birthday mo na wala tayong pakibig. Ayan, may pakibig ako ng birthday mo nga. Anyways, ayan. Hopefully, na-enjoy mo ang araw mo. Ayun.
Happy birthday, Besh. Wish you all the best, good health, and Papi Arna. Nandito lang ako always, and love you. Happy
birthday, Besh. I love you and I miss you so much. Enjoy your day and hope to see you again soon. Travel together and sana makita mo na yung the one para bang, 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 bang. I love you. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Twinnie! Hindi ko alam kung paano kita i-surprise kasi lagi tayo magkasama. I can't even buy you a gift kasi nga, alam kong malalaman mo kasi lagi lang tayong one wall behind. So, I just hope this simple gesture will make your birthday a special one. Alam ko lahat ng nasa video na to, nag-effort din sila so sana mapasaya ka namin. Yun lang, happy birthday! Hindi ko alam kung paano tayo naging friend. Basta in the past 2 years, hindi ko alam kung paano tayo nag-click. Siguro very unexpected lang talaga. And I'll just put it like, parang walang ibang makakaintindi sa Topaki na Scorpio kung hindi yung Sagittarius lang. Yun lang. You always say na ako yung constant mo and I promise I'll feel. And para sa akin naman, ikaw yung core ko. So, yun lang. Wish ko, I just hope that this year brings you everything that you hope it will. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Anje. Miss you.
Hi Anje! Ingat ka dyan sa Canada. Tapos, birthday mo na pala. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Nak, dito ka, dali. Bati mo si Tita Anje, dali.
Alam mo, nakailang take na tong video na to. Kasi si Piel hindi makapagano. Magsisindi pa ng kandila, pinapatay niya na. So, happy birthday sa'yo at ito ang kandila namin para sa'yo. Sing you, tita na! Sing happy birthday! Happy birthday, tita! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tita Glow! Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Anje!
Ingat ka palagi. We wish you all the best. Sana lagi kang malisog. Masaya. Happy birthday, Nina. We love you.
Happy birthday, te. So, pauwi na ako galing work. Masabi ko lang, pwede mo naman kami libre kahit nandyan ka. Then, wish ko happy and healthy ka. Yun lang naman. At saka enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my very kind, very selfless, and very cute si ate. On your birthday, I just wish you all the best. And I think this is the perfect time for me to express how happy I am whenever you achieve and experience new things. And please know that even though we're physically separated, your bunso is here, supporting, rooting, and admiring you from afar. So I won't make this video any longer. Just enjoy your day, and we miss you.
Nene, hi!